Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for me. So in this video I will be showing you guys how I created this really pretty colorful makeup look that you see here. So we got a cut crease going on with a double liner, some glitter. It's a lot. So you guys requested more colorful looks. Y'all missed my colorful looks. Get back to my old ways. So this is the look that I created for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to click the like button for more colorful looks. Okay, you have to click the like button and subscribe. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this makeup look here, then please keep watching. So I just realized my mic wasn't even turned on this whole time, but at least I didn't just finish both eyes already. So the first thing that I'm going to do is prime my eyes using my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. I got it in the shade Toffee Caramel. So I'm just going to place it on my eyes and just blend this out. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. This is the volume 2 palette, and this is what it looks like right here. Don't have any other colorful eyeshadow palette right now, so I'm just going to use this. So the first shade I'm going to use is shade D3, and I'm just going to place that in my crease and blend it out. Okay you guys, so I'm going to go in the volume 1 palette and take the shade A3 because the other one doesn't have a deep purple shade. And you can use any small blending brush for this. I'm using the ABH A25 brush. Went ahead and cut my crease really quick. I used the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. So now I'm just going to take that same purple shade, the one that I used, the last eyeshadow that I just used, and blend the edge of this concealer out. Back into the volume 2 palette, I'm going to take the shade D1, which is this beautiful metallic turquoise color, and I'm just going to pack this all over my lid. Going back to that purple shade, you guys, A3 in the volume 2 palette, and I'm going to go back in and blend out the edge of this eyeshadow so nothing is looking harsh. Alright you guys, so this is the look. I'm going to go ahead and start doing my face. So I'm going to start off with the Laura Mercier oil-free primer. For foundation, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Stick Foundation. I'm going to blend this out using my Anastasia Beverly Hills A30 flat brush. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, and it's in the shade Caramel. I'm going to add a little tiny bit of the L'Oreal Infallible concealer, and I'm going to blend this all out using my Sonia Kashuk sponge. I'm going to go ahead and set my concealer using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread setting powder. So to bronze my face, I'm going to use the CoverGirl, what is this, the Full Spectrum powder in Deep Cool 2. I really like this for bronzing. To set my makeup, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose Setting Spray. I was going to say setting powder. Ooh. Oh, I did not know that was going to spray that hard. Alright you guys, so now I'm just going to take that purple shade and blend that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glitter in the shade Day 2. I'm going to apply a little bit of that in the inner lower lash line. Alright you guys, so I did something to my hair. So now I'm going to use this CoverGirl highlighting and bronzer trio, and I'm going to take this gold shade right here to highlight my face. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick in the shade Honey, which is my favorite nude. I'm going to do a nude with this look. You can do a purple, like a very dark purple lip, a pink lip, but I'm going to do this shade. So this is the completed look. Oh my gosh, it came out so pretty. This is not what I imagined in my head before I started, but I basically just went with the flow. I feel like this video was kind of all over the place, and if you feel like that, I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to edit it really good. But yeah, this look came out really nice. I added a yellow liner halfway on top of the black liner, as you guys can see. So I think it came out really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and try out this look and recreate it. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much, and I cannot wait to see y'all in my next video. Bye.